How are you guys doing? Welcome to another video. For those that are new, my name's Alexander. I'm a 21-year-old day trader trying to teach people pretty much how to day trade ICT and what they should know about it. So today this video is pretty much just going to consist of what buy side and sell side liquidities actually are and why they are important in the market to know. By having the ability to know what buy side and sell side is and how they actually work, it can absolutely change you from being a non-profitable trader to a very profitable trader. So let's not waste too much of the time. Let's get right into the charts and let's show you exactly what that means. So when we look at this chart, what do you see exactly? You don't really see much, do you? You just see up and down like consolidations. But what I see like three entries that I could have took over here. So let me break it down. First, we have a buy side that got taken. Now, what's so like significant that it's a buy side? Why is it a buy side? Well, buy side is a previous high that got taken, which means this level all here, everyone put their sell stops right up here. Because you know when you enter a trade, you can put a take profit and a sell stop, also known as a stop loss. Everyone has them right up here above these highs because they believe that if the stock were to come in this area, that their strategy would just be broken, so they'd rather get out of the trade. But that's where us ICT strategy guys come in and we take this as liquidity because once we come up, everyone's stop loss gets triggered here, and now us ICT traders, we take our sell position to try to come back to target these previous lows, which we can see right here. And once again, once we jump off this buy side, come back into zone to target these sell side lows, what do we see again? We see a big pool of possibly take profits or sell stops. So again, we come into the zone, everyone gets triggered, us ICT traders come into the chart, and now we take another long position. Now we come back and we try to target these previous buy side highs. So as you can see, it's honestly very simple. Once you get the concept of how to trade, it's honestly very easy to use buy side and sell side as a very major confluence in the market to pretty much help you identify where the trend is actually heading. And of course, you can't just use buy side and sell side to enter trades. You actually have to have a confluence, for example, like possibly an inversion gap back into the zone in between the buy and the sell side right here. Or you can use change of estates or SMTs. And again, if you guys don't know what that is, I have a link in the description with all the videos of me showing my strategy that is honestly really much proven to work and has made me quite successful in the market. So again, just to recap, buy side gets taken, bunch of liquidity pools. Just think about 100 people over here having their sell stops or buy stops in here, gets triggered, tapped in, bang. All these people got executed, got kicked out of their position, got tapped in one more time, everyone got kicked out of their position. And now us ICT traders take our short position to target these lows. Or vice versa, we're in a sell side liquidity. All these people got tapped in, got kicked out of their trade. We ICT traders come in as a long position to try to target these buy sides highs. So I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. I want to be straight to the point and pretty much to give you guys an exact idea of what buy side and sell side is and why it is so important to have, especially with having it as a confluence in the market. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Very quick, straight to the point. I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time. I know you got plenty of stuff to do in the day. And now, please go do me a favor, back test the strategy so you can get better in the charts. And hope you have an amazing day.